Hi friends, today I am with a new gadget. This is by Daily Objects and this is a wireless charging station. We will talk about this in detail doing the unboxing, all the features with pros and cons. So let's check out the video first. So first of all, we got a box which is a Surge 3-in-1 magnetic wireless charging station by Daily Objects. It comes with the Qi charging, fast wireless charging support. You can also download the app from the Play Store and the App Store. Talking about the details, definitely we will look out each and every detail later on in this video. But the box feels very light in weight. Now talking about this, the Air Power Pad was earlier showcased by Apple. It was in September 2017, but it never really came into the picture. And after that, Apple never told anything about the Air Power. But right now, you can do the three devices charge at the same time with the Daily Objects Surge 3-in-1 magnetic charger. Daily Objects has launched three of the new wireless charging solution, including the first one is the Surge Conoid charging magnetic station, which comes with the 15-watt max output, and there is the second one which is the Surge 2-in-1 magnetic charging station, which has a maximum output of 18 watt, and in this you can also charge your AirPods, including AirPods Pro and AirPods 2nd gen and 3rd gen, which are wireless. Now coming to the third one, this is the Surge 3-in-1 magnetic wireless charging station, and you can see you can charge three of the devices at the same time. If we talk about the output, the top one gives around 18 watt, and the AirPods will be giving around 5 watt, and the Apple Watch will be around 2.5 watt. So these are the three models which are launched by Daily Objects, and it will be available through their official online store. Now talking about the in-box products, so in the box we are getting the cable and also the wireless charging stand. This is a high grade alloy, so you can feel the metallic finish over it. It is quite heavy, it is not light in weight, or it will not feel you very plasticky feel. It is very premium and sturdy feel. One more thing, that you don't need any lightning cable. This can be done with the Type-C charging cable slot. So you also get a metal ring. You also get some of the paperwork, including the user guide. I will definitely recommend you to check out the user guide and go through that. Now talking about the metal ring, it will be for the iPhone 8 to iPhone 11 series, and also if you have a Android devices. If you have a MagSafe devices above Android 12, it will stick directly. Now here you can see I have placed the Apple Watch and my Nothing earbuds. Both are showing charging. If you talk about the adjustable ball head, it will go up to 18 watt full charging. Here you can see once I put it, it will show you the charging logo. So charging will be done. The best part is that it sticks very firmly and it holds, and it will not fall like that. Here you can see I'm just trying to move it, and you can see the phone is not falling from the stand. And as you know that this is a Qi certified charger, so definitely it follows all the Apple rules. There will be no short circuit, and it takes all the care of the safety hazards. Now coming to the design, I have already told you this comes with the high grade alloy, and it has a 3 charging port, including the top one is for the mobile. The bottom part on the left side is for charging your AirPods or Nothing or any Qi wireless support, charging support of your earbuds, and on the right side there is you can charge your Apple Watch. And here you can see this is the metal ring, and the metal ring you can stick directly back to your smartphone. And once the gum is out, then it is very hard to stick, so I will definitely recommend you don't to take out the metal ring many times from your smartphone, and it is not that much durable. The gum will come out. And talking about this, here you can see I am just charging my Nothing earbuds, and you can see the wireless charging is being supportable in Nothing Ear One, and there is a light. Once I put that on a charging plate, it will start charging. There is no issue. This is a 5 watt charging wireless station, and if you go to the another port, it is a 2.5 charging station. This is for the Apple Watch, and the currently I am using Apple Watch generation 5th. So any smartwatch which has a wireless charging support, you can charge with them, but I do recommend that go with the Apple Watch. It does very well. And you can see I have a metal plate on the band, but still it fits very easily and there is no issue regarding that. The charging is done very smoothly, and I will definitely let you know the charging time of the device. One thing, if you have noticed that there is no adapter inside the box, so it will be a little bit difficult if you don't have an adapter, but you have to buy an adapter separately where you can insert this, because it comes with the USB 2.0 for one side and type C for the charging port. Here you can see a red dot, so it will be while the charging. We will talk about that also on later on. Overall, this is one of the very neat and complete setup, and I definitely like it what Daily Objects has done. Though Belkin and other brands have also tried, but none of them has been so much successful, so I definitely want this to work around. If you are an Apple user, you know that it is literally a pain that to charge the three devices you need the different ports, and maybe sometime it is lightning. For watch it is different, so better to take one charging port with where you can charge all the three devices together, or maybe two devices together according to your need. But I will definitely recommend you to go for this one, because in the future maybe you will buy Apple Watch someday, or maybe a wireless earbud which supports it. May be nothing, it may be AirPods of Apple. It works with anything which supports wireless charging, so definitely it is a useful product, and there are plenty good options. There are three different options, and here you can see the setup is very neat and very minimalistic. It doesn't make you anything cluttered, and definitely you are getting rid of all the wires. If you talk about this, on the top what you are getting is a rotating ball head phone stand, so it is comfortable in viewing angles. It can also can be changed, and this is the good thing is of the Daily Object, is that here you can see currently I am not charging any device, so it is showing you the blue LED. But when I will put anything for charging, here you can see it will change to the red light. So this is a good thing that it indicates you if any product is charging or not. It is very minimal and small thing, but definitely a noticeable thing. Now, if you talk about the adjustable ball head, how it works, I will definitely like to show you. So the adjustable ball head, here you have a portrait mode and also landscape mode. Currently, I am using in a landscape mode if I want to watch something on YouTube or Netflix or something. So it is very much easier. If you want to type something, you can just rotate it. So it is definitely an added feature where you don't have to restrict yourself for a landscape or the portrait mode. Now, talking about the Surge Conoid magnetic charging station, it will be available for 2999, which is around 3000, and it will be available through the official store. Talking about the Surge 2-in-1 magnetic station, it will be available for 3499, and it will be available through the official store. And these all will be coming in one color, which is a silver color. Now the third, the Surge 3-in-1 magnetic charging station, it will be available for 4999, and it will be also available through their official website. Now talking about the charging time, it takes around the similar time what the original charging adapter of the Apple devices for the smartphone, for the watch, and for the Nothing earbuds take. So definitely I have no complaints for the charging time. So this is all about Daily Objects Surge 3-in-1 magnetic wireless charging station. So this is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.